So here is my Jedi collection. This one I'm really proud of. So this is Coleman Trebor, the Verk council member killed by Jango Fett. Nice mold. This is Stass Allie. She's cousin to Adi and takes her place on the Jedi Council during the Clone Wars when Adi is killed by Savage Opress. And so Stass Allie is killed during Order 66. She's known for her violet eyes, different from Adi. So that's Stass Allie. This is Barris Offee, known for her treachery during the Clone Wars. She's kind in the comics and novels. Interesting what change must have taken over her, but that's Barris Offee, the Marillion. This is my custom Lowbacca, and I've redone the Sharpie, the black strip of fur. I've redone that since it faded. So that's my custom Lowbacca, Wookiee, nephew of Chewbacca from the new Jedi Order. This is Sephjet Jossal with his blue lightsaber from the Battle of Geonosis, killed there. And we've got Anakin Skywalker. I decided to add a black hilt because I liked it better. And it's got his pilot face on currently. I believe it's a double-faced figure. This is Revenge of the Sith Anakin. Then I've got the Clone Wars Yoda. Big eyes, interesting head mold, short figure. Then I've got Kit Fisto, the Nautolan. And with his green dreadlocks. Green lightsaber, Jedi council member in Revenge of the Sith, I believe. Council member in Syrian Mundi, who was concerned about the droid attack on the Wookiees. Kiffer, Quinlan Voss, Jedi Master, survivor of Order 66, friend of Obi-Wan, his Padawans. Dark Sider, Triple Agent, Mace Windu. Here, let's show Plo Koon first. Plo Koon, the, my goodness, Keldor. I think this is the Clone Wars figure of him. And this is, Saesee Tiin. The, oh my goodness, Iktachi, Jedi Master, killed by Palpatine. I've got Return of the Jedi Luke with his bone Rancor pit. Then I've got Wampa Attack, Empire Strikes Back Luke. Qui-Gon Jinn with a cape, episode 1 Qui-Gon Jinn, obviously. I like the mold to his hair. Obi-Wan Kenobi, this is Revenge of the Sith Kenobi. The short hair. And we've got Agen Kolar, the Zabrak from, he's killed in Revenge of the Sith. With his blue lightsaber, and that changes into green. And then this is the Clone Wars Eeth Koth figure from the Clone Wars, from episode 2, episode 1, I believe, maybe in episode 3, I'm not sure. So there's Eeth Koth and Agen Kolar. I like the difference of the mold for these Bracks. So, my Jedi.